Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a little mini craft with me video. I came across a post on Instagram from Pink Strawberries, and she posted these beautiful flowers and a super quick tutorial, and I decided that I wanted to do a little craft with me for you guys. If you missed that post or you didn't see these flowers, that I would just show you guys how I made mine. I made a bunch as soon as I saw her post, you guys. They are so easy to make, so fun, and these can be added on projects, on layouts, or just packaged up really nicely and shared with your friends, your pen pals. They're super versatile, and I think they're just so cute, you guys. How pretty does that look on my desk? And the only thing I used is, of course, some paper. This paper right here is just some Paige Evans paper. I think this is Pick Me Up by Pink Paisley. Paige Evans. I just printed out some papers off my, why am I losing my train of thought? Don't know. Printed out some papers, and I'm using my Arteza little cutting kit. I'll have this link down below if you guys want to check it out. You just get a bunch of different like X-Acto knives, and then you get like a cute little mat where you can like do the cutting. So I have mine out already, which is the one I'm going to be using. It's this one right here. So definitely check that link down below if you guys want to check this out. And look, you guys, this is a little tiny one. How you can make it any little size. I love how it's like popped out, so it gives you like that dimension on your project. I love that. So let me show you guys how easy it is to make these flowers. So I'm gonna grab my mat. I'm gonna put my mat right here. Let's put it this way, actually. I'm gonna grab a strip of paper like this. So this is about, let me see if I can get a ruler. I've been meaning to get that little ruler on Amazon, and I think I'm gonna order it today, because sometimes I don't want to have like this huge ruler, but there's just a little tiny one. I think it's 6 inches. Super cute. But this paper is about 8 1/4. Yeah, about 8 1/4 and almost 3 inches. So I don't do exact measurements. If you watch my videos, you already know that. I kind of wing it. So I grab my paper, I lay my paper flat here, I take my blade, and then I just start making straight lines across. You can make them as close together as you want, and then you just go all the way down the paper, making your little cuts. Okay, and then you're going to be left off with something that looks like this with all the little cuts. You see that? Okay, I don't know if this one actually cut through, but we're going to try it. I don't think it went, I think I didn't press down hard enough, so we're going to try it again on this one. See, you guys? So we're going to cut down. I guess, yeah, you got to cut harder. Oopsies! I was being light and delicate. Ooh, don't tear your paper. Okay, so now you should be able to see the cuts on your paper. This is the proper way. This is the no-no way. Okay, so then I'm going to grab another one, like a little smaller one, just to show you guys 2 different sizes. So I just want to hurry up and cut this one. Just do the same thing. A bunch of little cuts all through the paper. Super easy. Okay. So then you have your paper with all your cuts, and then what you want to do is, well, this is what I do, is I grab my ATG gun, and then I just adhere one side, and then I start to put it together, like fold it in half onto that glue, Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Just to kind of fold your paper in half. You can use any glue you'd like. And then just to make sure that it's adhered properly, I just use my bone folder to kind of make sure that that's all not going to come apart. You guys see that? And this is what you should be left with. Then all you want to do, you guys, is roll up your flower. Just roll it up. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep on rolling. And then you want to just make sure you press down. And then you want to just add some glue right here. I'm going to add some hot glue. See that? Just add some hot glue. Hold that down till it dries up. And look at that. And then you have your little flower. And then you have your choice of opening it up. But you guys, look how easy that is. So this bigger paper is going to make a bigger one. The bigger the paper, the bigger the... Let me see if I can go over these cuts so that I can... I think this paper was going to be a little bit bigger. Because as you can see on this one, see this? I actually put one inside another. So the bigger the paper, and then you can add the small one in the inside and give it that layered look. Or you can just keep them like this. So I'm not sure if I made... Let me see if I think this one is more bigger. Let's see. Let's try our hand on this one. And you can make your cuts as close together as you want. That's all personal preference. If you want to do like real separated lines or... But once you're creating them, you just start making whatever comes out. Well, at least I do. But you guys, these are the easiest way to make some super cute, super dimensional flowers. Like I said, I will have the original post of where I got the idea from. I just thought that this would be a fun craft with me for anybody who doesn't have Instagram and didn't see her quick little post. So we take our paper, like I showed you guys before. You want to fold it right along the line as best as possible. Super easy. You don't need to have this kit. You could just have a regular X-Acto knife. And of course, you want to just make sure, make sure your adhesive is properly sealed before you start your folding so that it doesn't come apart. And then you can separate it. You don't have to fold as tight if you want to add another piece of flour in the center. So when it opens up in the middle, I'm going to keep this one quite open so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So there's many options. You can have it tightly rolled. I always do that so that it can ooze out. Oops. So it can ooze out the glue, and then I just wipe it off. Okay, so then you can have a flower like this, and what you do is you open it up. You open up your petals, and then you can put in the center a smaller one. See that? And now you have two different papers, nice layering. And then you can just add some glue to the middle one. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that the cutest? I absolutely love these. Let me know down below if you guys are going to try these out. What are you going to use them for? But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.